Hey, hey, would you like a bite of ice cream? Would you like a bite of ice cream?
Yes, of course.
That's good, isn't it? That's good, yeah.
Here, do another one.
He gets to eat some of his brother's ice cream.
Is it good?
Is that good? Or you got your Nike headband on, don't you? Wow.
Got a rubber band on.
You were shooting back.
Working up a sweat, huh?
I was making my hoop. Huh? You were making your hoops. Three-pointers.
What are you doing over here?
Looking for more ice cream.
Are you looking for more? Huh?
Can you say hi? Can you wave?
That's a way. Say hi. Hi, take a bite. Oh my, that's good. Yeah, that's so good.